Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're answering a very common question. Can you install APK files on an iPhone, especially on iOS 26? Let's break it down in simple terms and tell you exactly what's possible and what's not. What is an APK file? First of all, let's understand what an APK file is. APK stands for Android Package Kit. It's the file format used to install apps on Android devices. Just like .exe files on Windows or .dmg files on Mac, APK is made specifically for Android. iPhones do not support APK files because they run on iOS, not Android. So, can you install APK files on an iPhone running iOS 26? The short answer is, no. Apple's system doesn't allow APK files to run because they're not compatible with iOS architecture. iPhones use a completely different system for apps. They install apps from the App Store in the form of IPA files, not APKs. And Apple has strong security to block unofficial app installations, especially in iOS 26. Now some of you might ask, is there a workaround? The only possible way to install non-App Store apps is through jailbreaking. But wait, jailbreaking your iPhone can be risky. It voids your warranty, makes your phone vulnerable to security threats, and is very unstable on iOS 26. Most jailbreak tools don't even support the latest iOS 26 update yet. Also, even if you could sideload an app through some trick, it would still need to be in IPA format, not APK. If you really need an Android app, the best option is to use an actual Android phone or an Android emulator on your PC. On iPhone, you should stick with the App Store or use Apple's test flight for beta testing apps safely. These are official, safe, and supported ways. With iOS 26, Apple has made security even tighter, so it's best not to try to force APK files into your iPhone. So to sum it up, no, you cannot install APK files on an iPhone, including on iOS 26. iPhones just don't work that way. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future iOS updates, tips, and tricks. Comment below if you've ever tried sideloading apps or have questions about jailbreaking. I'd love to hear your experience.